Here. Welcome to our printing facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how the Holy Quran is made, step by step, with the utmost care, precision, and
Ensuring the accuracy of the Uthmani script is vital. This marking here seems correct.
Yes, it follows the traditional standards precisely.
See the shift here in the highlights? It's too yellow.
I see it. Ramping down the yellow ink by 2%.
Confirmed. Density is perfect now.
Every page is printed with extreme care to preserve accuracy and readability.
Every Quran is thoroughly inspected before it leaves the facility.